interest in Somalia? Do they have any oil?
Well, yeah, there's supposed to be a lot of oil and gas, but I think it's more of a, just in general, the Americans' foreign policy, particularly in regards to Africa, is what we call crisis management. They want to instigate a crisis and then manage the crisis so that basically they can prevent any strong nationalist government from coming to power that would protect the people's interests, which would force the Western governments to pay a fair share for their natural resources. Basically, they just want to be able to come in and pay off some warlords and rape and loot the resources of the country whenever possible. And I think that's pretty much U.S. policy in Somalia. They know that the Somali, if a genuine nationalist government comes into power in Somalia, they're going to be pretty hostile to Western interests, especially the United States, because the U.S. has committed a long list of very nasty crimes in Somalia. So they just want to see the warlords in power. And when the Union of Islamic Courts came to power, brought peace to Mogadishu for the first time in 2006, the Americans sent their Ethiopian gendarmes or their policemen on the beat in to destroy that peace. So I don't think the U.S. has any good intentions to